Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you, and it's the NYX makeup advent calendar. In collaboration with 20th Century Studios, they have brought out this Home Alone edition advent calendar, although the products inside are nothing to do with Home Alone, it's just the actual packaging. This is a 24-day advent calendar. I bought it from Amazon. It retails for £72.50, but there's currently a discount and you can get it for £67.50. It contains 24 of their bestsellers and they're all full-size products, which excited me because a couple of years ago I was really into their advent calendars, all full sizes, and I found some amazing products through them. But I have to be honest, in the last year or two I haven't been that impressed with their advent calendars. I'm not even sure if I bought one last year, but maybe like the year before, and there's a lot of minis and samples and things. I just wasn't as impressed. So when I heard that they brought back all the full-size products, I thought, right, I'm going to get one. So as well as a 24-day one, they have brought out a 12-day one as well, and that can be bought on Pretty Little Things. So if you're interested in this one or the 12-day one, then you'll find links to them down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to opening this up then. How am I going to do this so that you'll get to see it properly? You're not going to. Not really. Day number one over here. I will not be doing an Instagram unboxing of this one because probably at the end of the video this calendar is going to be wrecked. So alright, I got my little knife to help me get things out. We have got the Ultimate Edit. This is a petite eyeshadow palette and in warm neutrals. Ooh. We used to see NYX now and again in different beauty boxes. Or am I thinking of Sleek maybe? I know Sleek we have. Let's try these. Oh, pretty. I know NYX is quite popular at the moment on TikTok. I'm seeing lots of adverts, and on Facebook actually, for their blushes, which I've yet to try. But no, those shadows look lovely. They do look nice. Sort of colours I wear as well. I've got a palette very similar to this. I can't remember the name of it, but it's a mini palette from Natasha Denona. I just think of them as the brown palette, the green palette, and so on. Day number two, down here, we got a lipstick, and we got a butter gloss. This is sparkly. Yeah, butter gloss bling in shade Pricey. It's nice. Very subtle colour, but you can see let's add a bit more. Very shimmery and shiny. If I've got a matte lipstick on and I fancy a little bit of gloss, then I don't mind if it's a little bit shimmery, but an all over shimmer, I don't really go for them. But saying that, unless it was a red colour, a red shimmery one, that just screams Christmas to me, so I'd wear that at Christmas time. Day to day, no, not really, I wouldn't wear it. Day number three, we have got Smooth Whip, and this is a matte lip cream, brilliant, in Kitty Belly. I think I'm going to love this. Look, I love these sort of formulas, and that colour's really nice as well. It's gorgeous. It's like a rust sort of colour, isn't it? Similar to the actual bottle itself, which is always the case. Yeah, like that. Really happy. Day number four. Falling to pieces already. We got a fat lip drip, and this is in clear. So it's a lip oil. I love lip oils. I prefer them to lip glosses. Yeah, nothing there, just a clear one. So a fat lip drip. This says it's a lip oil. Day number five up here. And we have got something for your cheeks. This is Sweet Cheeks. It's a soft cheek tint. Okay. And this is in shade Bombshell. That's a nice colour. Blend that in. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, that is really, really nice. Yeah, I like that. I like the formula as well. Day number six. We got a soft matte lip cream in shade Rome. I love their soft matte creams. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. Yeah, really, really impressed. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Again, another one I'm really happy with. Day number seven, we have got a butter gloss in shade Bit of Honey. There. I am loving the colour choices of these products so far. See, that's so pretty. It's nice. So butter glosses have got quite a good pigment, but they're more sheer, you know, and really pretty. Day number 8, and we got another butter gloss in shade Creme Brulee. I know I'm gonna love this one because I've had this before. Look, it's just a really nice pink. It is quite bright, but because it's a butter gloss, it just gives a really nice sort of pinky nude sort of look to your lips. I was obsessed with one of their lipsticks, which I think is discontinued now, and it was thanks to one of their advent calendars that I loved it. I'm just wiping my hand clean, ready for the next one. But it's Très Lachers. If I said that right, I probably don't say it right, but it is gorgeous. And funny enough, it's a neutral sort of shade, but the amount of people that commented on what lipstick you wearing, what lipstick, and yeah, I'm sure it's discontinued, which I'm gutted about because I can't see it in my local Boots or anything like that, or even online. Right, what are we on? Day number 9. We have got a Fat Oil Slick Click Shiny Lip Balm in Hits Differently. These are quite new products, aren't they? As well as the lip oil here. New as in maybe this year. So I pump it up to lift it up. So it's a lip balm. So it's got a very slight tint to it, not much. Oh, that's nice. I love that it's a pen like this. Yeah. Oh, and it's got sparkle on it as well. It reminds me of this one that we had. Was that day number 1? I think it was. I really like that and I'll definitely use that. Day number 10. We got really pretty. I can't read it. What's it say? The lights are shining on it. It's Candy Swirl Butter Gloss in Sweet Slushy. So is it in those 2 shades then? And they get mixed up together? I don't know. Oh, look. That is gorgeous, isn't it? It's really pretty. I'm trying to look inside. I went to sniff it, but I can't smell anything. I've got a really bad cold. I'm dosed up on cold and flu capsules so that I'm able to film. But I can't smell anything, which I'm really gutted about. But yeah, that's really pretty. I love that. Day number 11. Oh, we got another one. We got a Fat Oil Click Stick. No, a Slick Click. A shiny lip balm in No Filter Needed. This was the other one we had. I know I'm going to love this one. A very, very subtle colour. No, that's nice. And this one hasn't got like glitter bits in it like the other one. It's got some shimmer in there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick up on the camera. It looks a little bit metallic-y, doesn't it? I know, it's pretty. But yeah, nice on top of a matte lipstick, that's what I'm thinking. Day number 12, and we've got another one, a third one. It says Fat Oil Slick Click Shiny Lip Balm in Going Viral. I'd love to know what the value of all these products are and how much of a saving I've made by getting this advent calendar. I think that's another nice one as well. It's very, very similar, but it's a bit more pinky, and it's definitely a bit more pigmented as well than the others. Yeah. No, that's nice. Yeah, I love these sticks. The first 2, the lids have got shimmer on them, but the last one that I showed you hasn't. Can you see? I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, they got shimmer on them and that one hasn't. Okay, moving on over here now. Day number 13. We've got another liquid blush for your cheeks. This is Sweet Cheeks Soft Cheek Tint in Coralicious. I do really love the formulas of these. It's really nice. Yeah, I think I prefer this one than the first one. They're both very pretty, but I think this one is the one that I would go for more, I think. Day number 14, we got another Sweet Cheeks, and this time it's in shade Showgirl. Look at this colour. Wow. That would make a gorgeous, oh, so here. That would make a gorgeous lipstick as well. But yeah, that is beautiful. Yeah, really, really pretty. So we got 3 completely different shades, which is really good. Day number 15 down here. We got a Smooth Whip. I forgot what these are now. It's a matte lip cream in shade Cherry Cream. Oh my gosh. Cherry Plum shades are really, really popular at the moment, or coming into the winter months. No, this is more of a red colour. Although saying that, can you see? It's a little bit bitty. Why would it be like that? Try a little bit more there. I wonder what that'd be like actually to apply. I love the soft mattes. They're buttercreams. I've tried in the past and stuff. They're lovely. So maybe it's just the formula. Maybe I just need to apply a little bit at a time. Day number 16. Oh, we got something different. We got a jumbo stick. And this is in shade, what is it? Oh, it doesn't say a shade. Just that it's a multi-use face stick. Look at this. That's pretty. So you could use that as highlight. You could use it on your eyes. Oh, that is really nice as a highlight actually. Wow, hold on, blending it in. It feels really nice. The colour is really pretty as well. More for like evening, going out sort of party makeup. Yeah, it's got like a coral undertone to it as well, so it's not just like a copper gold. But I like the fact that you can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your lips if you wanted to. Yeah, a multitasker. Day number 17, and we've got another one. And it looks the same shade, but it's not. This one's more copper, this one's more gold. Yeah. It's pretty, I like that. Yeah, really nice. I'm just thinking highlight or inner corner highlight on the eyes. It's very subtle, isn't it? But I suppose you could build that up. Yeah, no, I really like that. That's lovely. Day number 18 down here. And we've got another Smooth Whip. This is a matte lip cream in Onesie Funsy. Pretty colour. Oh, see? Colours like this make me want to dye my hair dark. Imagine. Dark hair, gorgeous vibrant lips, very minimalist eye makeup, or a very subtle wing and then some little corner, false eyelashes, but then having this statement lip with your dark hair framing. I think it's stunning, really pretty. The formula in this one feels different to the other one. The other one felt a little bit goopy. Yeah, the other one's Smooth Whip as well, but no, this one feels better. Day number 19, and we've got a soft matte lip cream in shade London. No, not for me, I don't think. Just the wrong shade for me. Yeah, that is the only product in this advent calendar so far that's a definite no-no for me. Gutted, but then, you know, to have an advent calendar where you love absolutely everything in it is rare, isn't it? So yeah, hopefully it's the only item that I don't like. Nothing against the actual product itself, it's just the shade, it's just not one I would wear. Day number 20. Oh, we got another one here, this looks better. In shade Cans. Yes, I've had this before. I know I'm gonna like this one. Look. Yeah, that one's nice. So a soft matte lip there. In shade Cans. Day number 21. I might as well just rip it. We've got another one. No, we haven't. We've got a butter gloss. And this is in shade Madeline. Madeline or Madeline. There. Now this is very similar to the Smooth Whip shade, but as this is a gloss, I don't mind it. I think it's nice. And I could use this on top of other lipsticks as well. Yeah, I think that's nice. Looking at it properly now, yeah, it's definitely one I'd wear. It's a nice nudie colour. Yeah, I like that. 22, we have got a sparkly one. This is so pretty. This is a Butter Gloss Bling in shade She's Got Money. Can you see the sparkle? See, something like this just makes me think of Christmas. And it's something I'd definitely wear like Christmas time. Can you see the sparkle? It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, really, really pretty. So you could put this on top of one of the other shades or wear it on its own. Oh yeah, the sparkles don't want to come off my hand. They're just stuck. Okay, day number 23. I might as well rip it up here. Oh, we got a fat oil. This is a lip drip. Fat oil. It doesn't give me the shade. Oh, look at that. Let's get more out. Ooh. No, that's nice. I like that. I like that it's got a hint of a colour. Very pretty. Day number 24, the last day of the advent calendar. And we've got a fat oil. And this is lip drip. Oh, I keep looking for the colour, the shade name, but there's nothing there. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Look at that purple. It's proper plum colour, isn't it? See, that would look gorgeous on top of a red. Hold on a minute. Try a little bit of smooth whip in cherry cream. And then put a little bit of that on top. There, I should have let it dry actually. Oh, you can't really tell a difference. There. Never mind. I got it for £67, so I saved a fiver. I really, really like it. There's some really gorgeous products in there. I think the shade ranges are really good. Nothing too out there, but something for everyone, I feel. So we've got 3 lip drip fat oils. We've got 3 smooth whips, which are matte lipsticks. We've got 3 fat oils, shiny lip balms. We've got 3 sweet cheeks, liquid blushes. We've got 2 jumbo face sticks, a multi-purpose stick. We've got 3 butter glosses. We've got 3 soft matte lip creams. 2 butter gloss blings. 1 butter gloss candy swirl. And lastly, an eyeshadow palette, the Ultimate Edit. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I'm really happy with it, and I'm glad. As I said at the beginning, the last few advent calendars haven't really done it for me. So I love the fact that they've gone back to using full-size products and that we're seeing new products in there as well. I was a bit on the fence, to be honest. As you know, I don't delve too deeply into looking at the products, but as soon as I found out they were all full-size and it was £67 off Amazon, I thought, right, I'm going to get it and see. I am really happy. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? I know some of you love NYX and some of you hate NYX, so I know it might not be for everyone, but I'd love to hear what you think, so please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.